Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for earth sign Capricorn, and this is weekly reading, and this reading is from May 16th to May 23rd. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Capricorn. Three of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, the Hermit. Definitely I want clarification card for the Hermit. Okay. Ten of Swords. Yeah, I think for some you both working in same area. I think same colleagues or same office. For some there is no working together in this relationship. Definitely one person investing on more than the other person, definitely. So one person loving more than the other person. That's why one person want to give up on this connection and thinking about a lot but not taking action in past. So for some there is love between both of you, but there are some disputes, Capricorn. So what is going on your connection right now? Okay, let's see. Knight of Swords, the Strength, the World. Yeah, definitely your person want to come towards you, there is no doubt, and he is gaining strength definitely to come towards you, or you stand by your power. After the separation, the negative cycle endings, definitely there are some negative cycles are going to be end, because Ten of Swords and the World, definitely cycles are going to be end and your person want to come towards you. So the near future actions towards you, Capricorn. Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Temperance. Lot of readings got this card. Definitely your person want to come towards and offer stability to this connection. Right now I think your person may be single after separation, so your person want to come again to you, but there is balance and patience is needed definitely in this connection right now, because your person right now want to come towards and offer stability, but it will take time definitely. So let's pull some cards from universe, Capricorn. Justice. Your person could be Libra, or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of energy. So let's pull Ace of Swords, Queen of Wands, the last card from the universe, Seven of Wands. Yeah, one person in this connection don't want to give up on this connection, and there is a lot of passion between both of you. You both could be fire signs, or one could be Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely there is justice and Ace of Swords, truth coming out, and a reconciliation will happen, and there will be a brand new beginning for some definitely. So definitely lot of passion is there between both of you. Definitely reconciliation will happen, but it will take time. Temperance. Your person could be Sagittarius. Definitely patience is needed. Definitely your person will ask second chance definitely to give stability to this connection, to gain again your trust. So this is the reading for you, Capricorn. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.